Same laptop. Same RAM. Same processor. Watch this. That difference? One setting. Takes 90 seconds to fix, and Microsoft hides it 3 menus deep on purpose because turning it off makes Windows look less polished. Looking polished and running fast are not the same thing, and today we're picking fast. Every time you open a window, minimize something, or drag a folder, Windows runs a tiny animation. By itself, harmless. But your PC does this hundreds of times a day, and on anything with 8 GB of RAM or an older processor, that's a constant, invisible tax on your CPU. Brand new gaming rig? You'll never feel it. 3-year-old laptop? You're paying for it every single click. Right-click Start System. Or just hit Windows key plus pause/break, same screen, one shortcut. Scroll down, click Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, click Settings. This is the menu almost nobody opens. Right now it's set to either let Windows choose or adjust for best appearance, both of which turn on every animation in this list. Fade effects, slide effects, animated taskbar, shadows, the works. You could smash adjust for best performance and check everything off. It works, but now your fonts look jagged, and File Explorer stops showing thumbnail previews for your photos and videos. It looks like Windows XP had a bad day. So instead, click Custom and uncheck everything manually. Then add back exactly 2 boxes. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Keeps your photo/video previews working. Smooth edges of screen fonts. Keeps your text from looking pixelated. Everything else off. Apply. OK. While you're in here, open Settings, Personalization, Colors. See Transparency Effects? That's the frosted glass look on your taskbar and Start menu. It looks expensive, but your GPU is re-rendering that blur constantly, especially rough if you're on integrated graphics, which is most budget and mid-range laptops. Switch it off. Solid taskbar, less GPU overhead. Now, is this going to make your PC 200% faster? No. Let's be real, if your computer is already fast, you'll feel a slightly snappier UI, that's it. But if you're on a laptop with 8 GB of RAM or less, or a PC that's a few years old, this is one of the few free performance wins that doesn't involve buying anything or reinstalling Windows. Try it, and tell me in the comments what you're running and whether you felt a difference.